What's the meaning of concessionaire? Concessionaire. Concessionaire.
Concessionaire. Concessionaire. A concessionaire is a company or individual that has been granted the right to operate a business in a specific location or area. Typically, this involves providing a specific service or selling a particular product, such as food, beverages, or souvenirs, in a public space like an airport, stadium, or national park. In exchange for this right, the concessionaire pays a fee or percentage of their sales to the owner of the property or land. Concessionaires often face competition from other businesses in the same location and must therefore prioritize quality and customer satisfaction to succeed.